In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through a bicep curl variation known as 21s. So firstly, what I want you to do is I want you to have your feet at hip width apart. You're going to be looking up, chest up, shoulders back. Bring your palms into a palm up position and lock your elbows into your sides. Now for your first 7 repetitions, I want you to bring the dumbbell from where it is now to halfway. So full extension, halfway, so 2, 3, 4. I'm always controlling the weight not only on the upwards phase, but also when I'm bringing the weight down. Once you get to 7, pause it in that position, and I want you to do another 7 repetitions from halfway to full. So halfway down, pause it there, full repetition, big squeeze at the top. Once you've got that full contraction, once you've done your 7 repetitions like so, you're going to bring the weights all the way down and back up. Make sure you're not swinging the weight, so make sure you're not using your hips or bringing your elbows up. You're locked into your sides doing your final 7 repetitions with the bicep curls. So to go through that again, you get 21 repetitions there all in all, 7 of which are from that full extension to halfway. The next 7 are from halfway to that full contraction of the bicep curl. And then from there, we've got 7 repetitions where we're doing the whole entire range of motion. That's how you do the 21s variation for bicep curls with a dumbbell.